Yeah, this is a 2017 Mustang. It's a manual. You know, it's pretty clean. He just got it washed, cleaned it up, you know. Very nice car. I'll let you hear how it sounds in a little bit, but just letting you check out the features on the inside. 2017, nice detail right there. You can see that. That's real nice. 37. And that's your display. Okay. Real nice and clean. That's the baby seat. My man got a child. You know, gotta keep the kids safe. Keep them strapped up. All black. Yeah, this is nice. Got the black wheels. Looking real ferocious. There go the air vents. Yeah, we gonna line up soon, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna race this guy. He said he can get me, and I'm gonna see what he can do. So, yeah. Pop the hood, you know. I can't open it. I ain't even finna try. No, it ain't that difficult, but oh yeah, man. Oh yeah, that shit heavy.
And he got that damn strut tower.
That shit heavy.
That shit heavy too.
I don't really know all the specs under here. All I know is that engine is beast, you know. So
swim bar.
Yeah, man. Nice little air intake.
S550.
Few mod, this ain't stock now, so this is not stock. It's a little got a few mods done. But yeah, man, like I say, man, y'all stay tuned for that race. We gonna bring it to you one of these days. All right. Go to me. I ain't gonna put your face in all your tag. I'm gonna keep that out, you know. But this is a 5.0 right here. About to give you a quick few revs, you know. I always wanted a Ford, but I got that motherfucker. But this motherfucker still mean and sexy.
This right here, that's what.
Let me get some. Look at this, man. Smoke trail like 2 feet, 3 feet long. That shit ridiculous, man.